pig. I got some time to get the red fuzz back in. She's a little broken. What have you done? So I can't wash it because she's chewed the garden hose to go to my pressure washer. Alright guys, so it's Saturday afternoon now. Yep, family's coming over to watch the footy and to celebrate Father's Day. So what I'm going to do is just get the red fuzz in here and have a little chat about it. First of all, I need to get this engine crane back into the garden shed. It takes up way too much space. Need to clean up the tools a bit. Then I've got to jump start the red fuzz and go over the damage that's happened from the puppy. Alright, so I've cleaned up a bit. So I put the battery charger out there. Gotta find the keys for the... There it is. And put it on charge. Yeah, she's all scratched up from the dog. Hopefully the window isn't scratched. These are both broken, so I'm going to put them up when I drive them in, and then I'll completely take them off until we get some new arms so I don't scratch it up. Empty out all these boxes so I can charge it. The battery's in the boot, if you didn't know. We've got to get in there. Nearly forgot I put the cap on the GT35, so nothing will get in there. So we've got to pop the bonnet. Ooh. Looks a bit different to the SG. Not rusty. That's good. Right, let's see if she starts up. How bad that is. Oh yeah, no power. Emerson's been in here. Oh, brilliant. It's actually pretty quiet. It's very odd. Let's get it back in the garage. I know why that's flashing, because Emerson was playing with the reflash switch that I got here. Anyway, we got oil pressure. Alright, we're back. Twin Turbo Forester is back in the garage. Yeah, I do still have some things to do on the SG, but they can wait. It's pretty much, we're going to get the compound turbo system off so I can flatten out the flange, the exhaust flange, and then it should be good. Should flow a lot better. Well, I mean, it shouldn't leak. That's what I should say. Shouldn't leak. Alright, maybe I'll pop back out here later. But yeah, gotta start getting ready for Father's Day celebrations. Actually, we'll just go over the damage that my Staffy puppy did. Yeah, there's scratches. She's been on the roof. Been all the way on the roof. She's been on the spoiler. I did that on the roof here when I opened it by accident. I think my pug had her feet up here, probably barking at her, telling her to get off the car. Yeah, bonnet's all scratched up. This guard's all scratched up. Some scratches here too, which is annoying. The arm's actually alright, but these bits where I can just easily replace are stuffed. So she bent that. Hopefully the window's not scratched out. And like I said before, she's chewed all the garden hose, so I can't just wash it. So might just get a bucket of water with the chamois in it and just go over it and have a closer look. Hey, look, there's a bolt. I don't know what that's from. Oh, that might be from the dump pipe. Yeah. Is that it? I don't think I put the dump pipe on properly to the rest of the dump pipe. Alrighty guys, I am back from all the Father's Day celebrations and I can't be bothered doing anything on the Forester. So we're going to be doing that this week. Going to be getting all the turbo off this week. So Thursday's episode will be getting it onto the linear to make the flanges all nice and flat and get it all back together. Now I do have a few parts coming for the SG. We've got 30mm lowered suspension for the front, or springs for the front, and I got some bushes coming. So depending on how long they take, that'll be the next thing that I'll do to the black one. So I'll be focusing more on this one. So hopefully we can get this up and going and we can start to make this look a bit neater. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this episode. Give it a thumbs up if you like that the old Foz is back in the garage. Got a lot of work to do. Anyway, I'll catch you next episode. Bye.